Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring every inch of Niagara Falls while capturing the most stunning views along the way. As you explore the area, you'll quickly realize that there's no shortage of amazing viewpoints and attractions. From the Skyline Tower to the Whirlpool State Park, each spot offers a unique perspective on the falls. And let's not forget about the famous Maid of the Mist boat tour, which takes you up close and personal with the roaring water. Niagara Falls is a treasure trove of attractions, viewpoints, and activities that can adventure. The key is to pace yourself and take your time to soak in the beauty of your surroundings. One of the highlights of my trip was taking a boat tour that gets you up close to the falls. The power and beauty of the cascading water is a sight to behold, and the mist that rises from the base of the falls creates a mesmerizing spectacle, adventure you'll never forget. As I stood at the edge of the falls, I felt tiny compared to the natural wonder that lay before me. The power and beauty of Niagara Falls is a humbling experience that puts things into perspective.